sir. It's right in fucking front of my face. What do we do? Whatever you do not fucking move. It looks like it's... What is it fucking doing? Ah, fuck! Shit. Fuck! Get out the way, you fucker! I'm gonna kill this bitch! It's not working! Fuck! I gotta kill this bitch! I gotta kill him fast before he kills us! Wait, what is he doing to me? No! Ah, fuck! Shit! Fuck. Damn it. This thing is invincible. Gotta kill it somehow, guys. But how do we kill it? Trap your guys' weapons. I think we gotta dink like a cartoon. I think that's what he said before he died. Dink like a cartoon so we could defeat him. I think that's what he said. Well, you can do that. We're gonna fucking keep our fucking guns. You little dick. Okay, shit. This is actually getting pretty scary. Wait, what is it doing? Guys, it just opened its mouth. Oh, fuck. Okay, now I remember. Think like a cartoon. Wait, guys, I'm actually damaging it. It just killed itself. Well, great, we got the money. But we gotta contain it alive, you idiot. Wait, he just got knocked out cold. He got knocked out cold! Well, let's get him to the SCP Foundation, which we don't know if this shit's actually SCP. But we gotta get him to a medical. But on the bright side, we're gonna get our money. Like, bro, this shit's hideous. Look at its fucking face. Like, where the fuck did this come out of? Satan? Goddamn, bro, this shit's ugly. Goddamn, we gotta get the tow truck. Just kidding. So we just strap him on to the fucking, let's say the fucking, Martin? Okay, holy shit, I'm scared of them. And don't hurt me. And this guy that literally just broke his arm are the only ones left. You okay there? I'm not fucking okay, you idiot. I just literally broke my fucking arm. It's in pain. Well, this guy's knocked out cold. He knocked out the creature, but he got knocked out cold at the same time. Or actually, he didn't get knocked out. Instead that dumbass got killed too. Fucking. So to my commands, I think we just strap this bitch to the fucking Jeep. I think we broke one of its arms at the same time. So that's good. So then it won't be able to transform into random things. Well, we just gotta strap this bitch on the fucking Jeep. That's the only thing we gotta do. That's the only thing we gotta do. Is just strap this bitch to the Jeep. What about us? Oh, you guys? Yeah, we're gonna take you guys also. Okay, so okay. I'm gonna put you on the Jeep where the cartoon cat is. I think that's what its name is. But I don't know what its real name is. I'm just gonna call it the cartoon cat because it looks like a fucking cartoon. too? What about me? I'm in pain. Come on, you little... And being a little pussy. Besides, you gotta get me there fucking fast. I'm bleeding. Okay, just please calm down, you little dramatic bitch. Wait up for me. You're driving without me. You stupid bitch! You broke the creature's back. Now it's probably dead already. Oh shit! Ah, fuck! Wait. No! You started the engine. We're fucked. I didn't know. Wait, is that literally our fucking Is that literally our fucking shit, we're about to jump as a god. We did it. Holy well, I'm gonna get that money. I'm back to base, finally. I'm back to base. Time to collect that money. Okay, back to base with the creature. Oh shit! Hostile organism made by Trainer Anderson. He says if you think like a cartoon, you can be able to defeat this creature. But he's basically not invincible, but overpowered. What's even the point of being in here if we're just gonna get feed to this motherfucker? I don't fucking know. Just we're gonna leave off the videos. While I see more of this content of my new character with this new mod I just downloaded, Cartoon Cat. Then like and subscribe, and I'll do more content. I'll be posting like not a few days, but yeah, that's what sometimes happens to me. Oh fuck! Oh shit! It's Cartoon Cat! No! Fuck! What the fuck are you saying? Cartoon Cat died. I already got one. Ah! Fuck! Not my back! Have mercy on me. I didn't do anything. Wait, what? That's Cartoon Cat. No! My mouth is bleeding. I have no one to be by my side as I die. But except for this fellow creature. Gotta get out. Oh shit, it is Cartoon Cat. Wait, is he about to fight the other cartoon creature? Put your bets in the comments, who will win? Cartoon Cat or this cartoon creature? I didn't give this creature a name yet. I just randomly found a mod. It said unknown. Dang, well, this is a cool shit. Holy fuck! Oh shit! Oh goddamn, this is an actual movie. Oh shit, I gotta help this poor creature, goddamn! Get off him! Get off him! Get off him! Shit, he pushed my bag! Nah! Damn, bro! Oh fuck my nose! Goddamn! Yeah guys, if you guys hear my mom in the background, she's right here right now. Say hi, Mom. Yeah. Get your booty. Okay, fuck. This is an actual fucking movie. Ah, my fucking leg. I'm in pain. No. I don't know who the fuck is winning. I don't know if it's unknown or fucking Cartoon Cat. Both of them look very strong. And they're both overpowered. But this guy's just choking the fuck out of unknown. Yeah, give him a name, unknown. Shit, he just fucking, god damn. Holy shit. Guys, I think Cartoon Cat's winning. God damn, bro, he's beating the shit out of him. He even grabbed him by his Now unknown finally has a chance, but he's probably gonna die because he's literally fucking getting beat up bad. Same with Cartoon Cat, he might die later because he's just trying to save his family member. Well, I'm guarding this bitch. said they're cartoons. They basically think like a cartoon in which you follow the rules of cartoons. And this guy is also a friendly one. He doesn't kill women. He's a vegan. He eats plants. Guys, this might be the end of Unknown. Unknown! No! He's dying! Wait, what is Cartoon Cat about to do? Is Bro about to grab his fucking head off? No, don't tell me he's about to actually do that. No, please don't do that to Unknown. If you do that to Unknown, you're fucked. Cartoon Cat. What the fuck is Cartoon Cat about to do, guys? What the fuck is Cartoon Cat about to do? Oh shit. Wait, don't tell me he's actually about to do what I think he's about to do. Don't tell me. No! He's smashing his head into the fucking floor. Wait, what are you about to do, Cartoon Cat? What's this bitch about to do next? Holy shit, he just smashed. He just killed his. He just killed his own way. He's just talking about everything. Now he's gonna get his family member back. Now that Unknown is finished off, he's gonna get his family member. But he doesn't know that that shit got to the indoor stop. What an actual retard. Wait, he's a cartoon. I remembered he could. Okay, well, that guard is fucked. Because goddamn, Cartoon Cat's fucking fixed me off. Goddamn, how the fuck did he do that? Goddamn, bro, when did you say that cartoons can do anything they want? Like, literally, look at this bitch. It's Cartoon Cat versus a fucking guard that knows what the fuck to do with Cartoon Cat. Shit. I had to delete Cartoon Cat because it was a little laggy. You guys might have not seen the lag, but I saw the lag, so I had to delete it. Shit. So, his family member's right here. He's screaming. So now, let the battle begin. How the fuck did he not take damage? Bro, this guy's not even taking any damage. 0 damage. This guy's literally taking 0. Oh shit. Oh damn, Cartoon Cat's failing. He's not even crying about his broken arm. He's just taking it like a man. Wait, Cartoon Cat disappeared. possibly might. That's rude. God damn, he Cartoon Cat killed him, and I threw it away. Oh, goddamn, that was brutal. But like I said, he came for his cousin. As his here's the catch. That's actually not his family member. Instead, that's his literally fucking his fucking lunch. This cartoon like, bro, this is so fucked up. As you guys can see here, he's ready to devour his prey. His prey, known as his lunch, he is about to eat. Cartoon Cat's about to eat good tonight. Cartoon Cat's about to eat good. Shit, he's actually about to eat this motherfucker. He got him grabbed. He grabbed the bitch. God damn, bro, he literally devoured him. Holy shit, he's actually eating this motherfucker. Okay, now, holy shit. He's bending every way forward just to eat this motherfucker's guts. Not bits and pieces. Not wasted. Single things wasted. I think this is the only survivor here. Dang, God Unknown was protecting that guy.